You know, Aaron Ruta last played for Coach Alex. A shot, no conversion. Put back for setting so far in this game as Flores finally scored. Just one of their 8 shots. CJ Iset, again, it's a testament to the defense that we have seen so far. Joel Liu from downtown for 3 years now.
Oh, tropa na to.
That's for sure. As now, there's the pass to Josh. A good look for Flores.
Points down.
About it. Nice pass inside. Manlangit will finish. Importante, by the way, is back in the lineup of Batangas City and high-low. Onila rim, nice seal. They swing it to the right. Joko, couple of dribbles, the pull-up and the make.
Good patience being shown that who hits that mid-range jumper.
Chris Porter on the other end. A 3-pointer, that's good. Houses. At dahil dun, ay napalayo siya sa kanyang barber. 6 seconds, Joko, wide open. That's a 3. Porter would be key in this game, as mentioned by Mika Aguisames. They lost. One more bounce. There's the reverse for June Bonsubre. So far, Porter inside, he's scoring it over to Joko. A good look for 3. Tayong Dong from down 7-20. By the way, that's the QC team that upset Makati in the playoff.
Knocking down the jumper from mid-range.
Manlangit recovers though. There you go.
The ball was loose. He is able to recover, and that's just a poor foul to get. Sometimes yun din yung disadvantage ng
now Batangas is on the run. Jexter Binan all the way
when he's on his left.
This facet of the game is brought to you by New Star with
Alan sa loob.
Rebounding though is being
mid-range jumper from Flores.
Step back 3. MJ
in ang bench.
Matias. Recovery. Flores back to Paul. Same look. Different result.
Great defense here from Caloocan.
Nice passes kung malayo ba o malapit yung venue or became the norm. And
episode ng APRA.
Para akong nanonood ng Geography Channel.
Oo.
Courtside reporter. Alam ko natural na narrator eh.
Oo.
Batangas City. Couple of passes. Nice execution.
You know, he's not scoring, but he's doing a lot in his home province.
The sniper fires. Manlangit inside. Cervantes. Challenge. Kick out. Ablaza fakes. Ablaza feeds. Mark Cruz. Yes. Now it's Manlangit at the corner. That's it.
Hey, Ruta.
Oh, what a turn. Numbers on the other end. What a pass. Sorry, missed. No.
Threading the needle. Ang hirap ng pasa na yun, and Josh Flores.
Oh, I thought it was going out.
It was going in. It was on its way in.
Under 4 minutes in the third. Mark Cruz for 3. Yes, sir. The wing. Valencia. Bounce pass. Matias. Yes. Stay on the shot clock. Driving feet. Porter off of it. Chris Porter leans in and he scored. Paul Sanga for 3. That's at the other end.
Napit kuha ng foul.
First one is good for King Importante. 11 times, 2 turnovers. Efficient. Their former Scorpion passes on to the ibang team. Porter, will this be his time? Tough shot, breakout. Chris Porter, a big 3. Yes, his breakout game. 64-63.
Isolating Kalahat on Porter.
Valoria on the other. Defense to offense, yes. Setting up rebound on Ochea, and that is one deal. A breakaway for Joel Liu. He's all alone. Delivered hand. Jong Valoria for 3. Yes. See this replay. You know, the better nickname might be Mr. Fourth Quarter.
No, struggling though.
This is going to be a breakaway. Joel Liu for 2. Goes to Jexter. Up and out. Oh, that is too long. What a